Hey, today, I'll be telling you important things you must keep in your school bag so you don't have to worry in times of emergency. Notebook and textbook. First up, don't forget your notebooks and textbooks. These are your school essentials for taking notes and studying. Make sure you pack the ones you need for the day's classes. Snacks. Always have some snacks in your bag, whether it's a chocolate bar, fruit, or some biscuits. Having a snack can help you stay focused and energized throughout the day. Water bottle. Always remember to pack a water bottle. It's a great way to make sure you're drinking enough water during the day. Make sure the bottle is closed properly, so water doesn't spill on your notebooks. Next, you should have a pencil case. Let's see what should be inside it. Pens. Pack some pens in different colors like blue, red and black. They're great for taking notes and making your work look neat and aesthetic. Pencils. You can never have too many pencils. Make sure you have a few in your pencil case, ready for any writing or drawing. Rulers. A ruler is super handy for drawing straight lines and measuring things in math or art class. You should have a 12-inch ruler and a 6-inch ruler for short and long lines. Glue. Always have a small glue stick in your pencil case for emergencies and art projects. Scissors. A small pair of scissors can be really useful for cutting paper or other materials in class. Markers or highlighters. Highlighters are great for emphasizing important information in your notes. Markers can add some color to your notes and make studying more fun, so you should get some, too. Erasers. Don't forget an eraser. Mistakes happen, and it's good to be able to fix them. Sharpener. A sharpener is essential to keep your pencils sharp and ready to use. Make sure it has a container to catch the shavings. Umbrella. Always keep a mini umbrella in case it rains. Calculator. Always keep a calculator to help to solve mathematical problems. Lunchbox. Don't forget to pack your lunchbox with your favorite snacks and meals for a delicious school day. Here are some things you can keep in the small pocket of your school bag. Carry extra hair ties in case you need them. They're perfect for tying back your hair during PE or when it's hot. Carry gum or mints so you don't worry about bad breath. This also helps with concentration in class. A lot of schools don't allow bubble gum though, so in that case, you can get lollies instead. Money. Keep extra cash in the back of your phone case in case of an emergency. Makeup pouch. Carry a small makeup bag so you can reapply. Lip balm. Always carry lip balms and Vaseline for dry lips. Remember to get colorless lip balm so you don't get in trouble with school authorities. Tablets. Carry painkillers in case you have a bad temperature or headache. Hand cream. Keep hand cream to always keep your hands moist. Tissues. Always keep a pack of tissues in your bag. Mini perfume. A mini perfume can help you stay fresh throughout the day. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a must. It helps you keep your hands clean when you can't get to a sink, and prevents transfer of germs. Hairbrush. Keep a small hairbrush or comb in your school bag to fix your hair throughout the day. Shoe polish. If your school requires leather shoes, keep a small can of shoe polish in your bag to cover up any scratches. I know some of you might be thinking, my school has rules about what I can bring. Don't worry. Pack your school bag with things that make you happy and help you stay organized, and find ways to make the most of your school life despite any restrictions. Packing the right essentials in your school bag can make a significant difference in your daily academic life. By staying organized and prepared with necessary items like notebooks, textbooks, and stationery, you'll be better equipped to tackle challenges and achieve your goals. A well-prepared bag reflects a well-prepared mind. Hey lovelies. I'm feeling a bit down because I haven't been getting many comments on my videos. If you don't mind, could you please drop a comment? Thanks for watching, and I love you all. Can't wait to catch up in the next video.